Welcome back. Check this out. Icon doesn't make any USA tools. Well, apparently they do. They've got this 7-inch inline wire stripper, part number PSWIN, W-I-N. It's a hammerhead style stripper. Snap-on makes a very similar one. I'm sure they copied Snap-on. But here it says made in USA, designed and manufactured by Icon Tools in the USA. Well, I don't know if they're going to be coming out with more USA made tools, but that's not bad at all. I just used the 25% coupon on it, and I was able to get the, hold on, goodness gracious, here we go. 25% off single item, wire stripper, originally $24.99, and I paid $20.05. So that's a fraction of the $80 Snap-on one. But let's get this guy open and take a look. I got some wire and some bolts. Claims it can cut some bolts as well. So, what's going on? There we go. Okay. So there we are. Clearly says USA right on there. Patent pending. Never use on live circuits. Gotcha. Cut copper wire only. Cool. Awesome. So there's provisions here, 6 30 seconds and 8 30 seconds. It's got a nice lock. Focus. Okay. A little bit of spacing, something going on there. Not so much there, a little bit. But it says it can cut 6 30-second screws, so let's take a look at that. Does this thread in? I believe. If I can find the hole, need a can of hair. Thread that in all the way through. Let's give it a squeeze. Okay, not a ton of effort needed. Now I gotta get this out. Come on. Shouldn't have threaded in so far, I guess. Okay, it's not bad. Okay, now what about 8 30 seconds? So I've got an 8 30-second screw here. Put it in the back. Thread it in. Get it straight. There we go. We got a little bit protruding. Let's just do a little more. Give it a squeeze. Okay, so that required a little more effort. But not too bad. I know there's other ones that just completely destroy the threads. I've got some, what is this? 12 gauge? Yep, I got some 12 gauge. Focus. 12 gauge wire. You can do, what is it? 6, 8, 10, and 12 gauge. I don't have any 6 or 8 at the moment. So, it is labeled, kind of hard to see, 12, 6, 8, and 10. 8, that doesn't, 6 has got to be bigger than that. This is 6, 8, 10, and 12. At least that's off my eyeballs. I think they didn't print these right. Let's see. So this is 12, right? And it says that 12 goes on the second to inside. Yeah, I mean it does it, but that's the wrong, I think that's the wrong one. I think it's the one right next to it. Let's try that one. Oh, okay. Not bad. Got one strand. Oh no, it's still there. Then I've got some 10 gauge. So let's try the 10. It says that this tiny one's 10. I don't think that's right. I think it's this one here. Get it in there. Do a little rotation. Pull. Pretty clean. Not too bad. And of course it does a pretty good job of cutting wire in the center here. Pretty square. Clean. Minimal pinchage at the middle there. So overall pretty nice. It definitely helps, you know, if you're in confined areas, you can grip your wire, pull it, or like I did, right, when I go in to go strip, you can press up on here instead of doing it, you know, sideways. So that's pretty cool. I'll be using these. I'm glad that it does come with the 6 and the 8, although they should have, I think they should have labeled them maybe up here correctly. But overall pretty nice. We'll see what other USA made tools Icon comes up with. Actually pretty similar to the Craftsman ones that I have as far as the lock goes and the spring. These are USA made Craftsman. Pretty similar. Anyway, throw it down in the comments. Icon doesn't make USA made tools. Well, apparently now they do. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Make sure to watch this video over here and hit that subscribe. Have a good one. Peace.